All right, I'm going to go over how we can graph this parabola, and then we're going to identify, not hyperbola, that's what I meant to say. I'm going to go over how we can graph and identify all these parts of the hyperbola. So let's get started. So when we want to find the center or the vertices or any of this, like make sure you are familiar with the equation. This one started right here. The x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. The true equation is in this form. And then you want to find the h, k, a, and b. So the h here is going to be the 3. Write this. Just write this. I'm going to write it. H is 3. And then we have k is -6. A is going to be 2 because a squared is 4. So a is 2. B is going to be 7 because 7 squared is 49. We'll stick with that for now. So then from that, we can find the center because the center is going to be at 3, -6. And then we can start like getting a graph or a graph of what our hyperbola is going to look like. So I don't know why I have some trouble saying that, but here to go here spot. So to so the dot is this center. It's not going to be at 3, -6. Now, since the x variable is the leading term, it's positive, or it's usually the positive term is always usually in the front. So then this is going to be a horizontal hyperbola. So that means that the vertices are going to be on a horizontal axis. So it's going to be like not that wide. So that A tells you that the vertices so this is one vertice, this is another. These are going to be 2 away from the center. So if I hop 2 over here, this is basically going to be, well, not basically, this is going to be at 1, -6. It's 2 away because that's value A. And then we go 2 to the right to get the other vertex. So from 3 to 5, it's going to be the other vertex is going to be 5, -6. So we have 1, -6. 5, -6 for the vertices. And then the B tells you where the co-vertices are. The co-vertices are going to be above and below. So we have to go 7 units above, 7 units below. Straight. Actually, means this. It's in one co-vertice. And this distance from here to here is going to be 7. Because the B is 7. So the C or the X value stays the same. It stays at 3. But our Y value increases by 7, so it's 3, 1. Down here, this will be a 3. Take away 7 from -6. This is -13. All right. Now, from here, I like to draw a rectangle. This kind of helps guide like where your asymptotes and your hyperbolas go through. Like draw this line. Look at the trims. And I highlight the corners because the corners of this rectangle really lets you find the equations of the asymptotes much easier. So now what I'm going to do, this is the horizontal hyperbola. So the branches are going to open up this way, side to side. And then color screen. So then the asymptotes are going to go through the center and through these corners. And that's going to be how we can find the equation. So I have one line going in that direction. Another one going like that. So that's one asymptote. Let's call this Y1. And the other one's going to go like that. Let's call this Y2. Y2. Now, before we find those equations, let's draw our branches. Let's try that one again. All right. Okay, now we got our beautiful hyperbola drawn here. And now let's move on to the equation of the asymptotes. For this, for that asymptotes, we want to just find the slope and the y-intercept. So going to like y1 will be mx plus b. Let's use slope intercept form. Well, let's call it m1 b1. M1 b1. So if it goes through 3, -6, and we know that since this is this is the value of b is 7, and we also go to the right 3 or go to the right 2, we know this point is going to be at 5, right above this, 5, 1. And then we can let's assign number. And this one will get 5, -13. Let's assign all of them. It's fine. Negative power is looking just like 1, -13. This one will be at 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Okay. So then we can find the slope of this. We can go up 7 to the right 2. So the right equation for y1 at 7/2 x plus b. Solve for b by picking a point that it goes through. Let's just get 5, 1. Substitute 5 for x, 1 for y. So we get 35/2 It'll be 35 over 2. So be what 17.5. 17.5. Let's be. Take away 17.5, so we're going to get b negative 16.5. And the equation will be 7 halves x minus 16.5. That'll be one of our equations for the asymptotes. Right in the small bit. 7 halves x minus 16.5. Now the other one is going to have an opposite reciprocal slope. So it's going to go down 7 and to the right 2. Right. Oh yeah, it's not going to have opposite reciprocal. It's going to have the opposite sign. Then y2 will be y2. And we'll be looking at y2 will be negative 7 x. B, I guess. And we'll just, it goes this way. Let's just pick 1, 1, solve for the x. 1, 1, then we'll get 1 equals negative 7 halves. Times 1 doesn't matter, so it's 1, or it's just negative 7 halves. So B. But this is the same as negative 3.5. So then we can just add 3.5, and we'll get that B is 4.5. 4. More. And then we can just substitute this into y2. So y2 will be negative 7 halves x. X plus 4.5. Nice. All right, and lastly, I forgot foci. Oh, I didn't write co-vertices over there. Oh, 3, 1, 3, negative 3, 1, 3, negative 3. Foci, for this foci, we're going to use this equation. Well, the equation I'm going to write here. I'm going to erase this. So, since it's a video, you always go back and you see what that says, so whatever. We're going to use remember the c squared equals b squared plus a squared. So we want to solve for c because that's going to tell us how far from the center the foci are. The foci are going to be from left and right of the center. So then b squared is 49. A squared is 4. Then c squared is 53. C is going to be the square root of 53, which according to my calculator, 7.28. So then, about 7.28. Oh my god, that green is terrible. You know what? I'm upgrading to apologize. Oh, yeah, C is square root of 43, which is about 7.28. Now, we go from here, 7.28 over yonder to the left. So 7.28 to the left of 3 will be negative 4.28. This would be one foci. We'll call it step 1. So it's going to be at negative 4.28 on negative 6. And then over here on this side, we have the other foci. We remove that, move this point for its label on top. So it's about here. Matrix 6. I'm going to go 7.28 to the right of this 3. That's going to take me over here. 2, 3 plus 7.28, about 10.28, comma -6. And now we need the location of the photon. You can lay it in here. -4.28. Let's see. You can see -4.28, coming -6, and the other one will be at 10.28, coming -6. Nice. All right, we're done with this problem, at least. Good luck. Hope that helps, and maybe we'll see you guys again.